Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to look at the browser extension. It is the most helpful and useful way to avoid having countless open tabs on your browser or an endless list of URLs in a document. Let's face it, it's pointless and you never get around to it. So what you can do instead with the browser extension, it's a one-click save, and then you've got all your websites and articles and things you want to keep closed in one place without having to have them all on your browser with hundreds of open tabs. So let's go to an article. Assuming that you want to save this website or this article, it's a one-click button with your command. So in this case, you can see here what the command is. You're able to click here and change it to fit your preferences. And once this is open, you can either enter to save the website or choose to save this website and all of its subpages. And you can even ask the assistant questions directly from your browser without having to open the myReach app. So here are the options of what you can do. Then you can also choose which workspace to save this website in. There's another video where I explain more about workspaces, the use, the benefit, and what it's for. But essentially, this is the extension. It allows you with 2 clicks, so Command M, enter, to save a website instantly. Now, another thing that you can do, which is also very helpful, is if you're looking at an article and there's one specific section that is useful to you, you can highlight it, right-click, and save as a note. So you can either just save this specific paragraph as a note, or save it as a note and a website. So the website will automatically be referenced inside of the note, and there will be an automatic relationship created between the note and the website. So if we update this here, you've got the website and the note, so text from that website. If you open the note, you've got the title of the website, the paragraph that you saved, and the extraction of the website. So you can click on here and it takes you straight to, or you've got the option to go to the node, to the website. If you look at the relationship, it has also been connected to the website. And essentially now you have both the note with the text that was interesting to you and the website in your knowledge base, and you can open the assistant and ask any questions you want about it. So whether you're saving just websites with a command or you're also wanting to save specific sections and text from the website, you can do that very easily and have them all in your knowledge base in myReach instead of having to keep open tabs, which essentially we all know makes your computer work slower. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.